Storm Team Weather, here's Chief Meteorologist Josh Johns.
Welcome back, everyone. So, Josh, I was looking outside today, and I'm like, when is it going to rain? Because I know it's coming.
It rained. It rained this morning, in parts of town. A lot of San Angelo missed out on it, but we aren't the only ones seeing rain. They're also seeing rain over towards East Texas, portions of South Texas, and something really neat happened out there in East Texas today. I mean, it's dangerous, but it's still neat from a meteorological standpoint. It was over here off to the north of Houston, also to the north of Bryan College Station. It's near the town of Crockett here. And this little storm right here in southern Houston County actually was rotating backwards, and they had to issue a tornado warning on it right there. And here's what I mean. Winds towards the radar coming this way, winds away going that way. So that means it was rotating clockwise. Most of the time these things rotate counterclockwise. Only about 1 to sometimes 5% of those thunderstorms could rotate clockwise. It was so intense they had to issue a tornado warning on it. Crazy to see that. What's even better, though, is the rain that we had move through today. Here was some rain that moved through Ozona, also towards Junction and Menard earlier. Otherwise, most of the rain staying away from San Angelo right now. There's the current view of the radar. We are watching some redevelopment out here towards Midland, though, and we will have the potential for a few of those showers to redevelop as we go through overnight. The heaviest rain today fell off to the north of San Angelo, also off to the east, and then this little batch that came into Crockett County produced quite a bit of rain. Here's how much rain has fallen in the last 24 hours. And you can see these areas of 1, 2, sometimes 3 inches, even a 5-inch bullseye there in northern Kimball County. So some very needed rain falling. And the good news is we're going to keep the chances going as we go through the night tonight and also into the weekend. Here's what it looked like on our time lapse, because we had those clouds, and then as we went into the evening, really started to clear out. We had some dry air come into our atmosphere, and that's made things pretty clear. May give you a brief glimpse at the Perseids meteor shower and also even the space station that moved through earlier today. 82 degrees was our high today. That's way below average, about 14 degrees below average. We should be at 96. Our low this morning was 71, about on target. Low was 72, and record was 107 in 1962 and 1969, 62 degrees. We'll have a soggy weekend ahead with storms possible tonight, although the better rain chances holding off until the weekend. We also have cooler air in store for your weekend as well. Look at these temperatures. It's a nice night for August. Upper 60s, low 70s, 72 currently in San Angelo, 72 in Menard, 74 in Ballinger, 70 in Ozona, and 74 right now in Sterling City. Some pretty heavy showers moving into San Antonio right now. We've got that other batch. All of this spiraling around the developing upper level low in the atmosphere. We also have this stationary front over us right now, and that's helping to serve as a more of a low level focus. But look at all of the mess that's in the middle of the atmosphere right now. That's going to eventually turn into a swirling upper level low. It's going to pull off to the north. Until that pulls off to the north, we keep those rain chances around. There's 2 potential scenarios for the rainfall. The good news is they're coming into more agreement. The Euro showing this rainfall map with going up towards 2 to 4 inches, some isolated heavier totals, and then the GFS also saying heavier totals as well, although we're keeping them a little bit further to the south. Still got a lot to iron out, but the point is keep the rain chances around, the umbrellas around, also the Concho Valley homepage app, because we got a 50% chance of rain Friday, 60% Saturday, and we go up to 70% Sunday. Sunday should be the wettest day before it starts to clear out. So here's how it plays on Futurecast, and I don't want you to get so hung up on where it's raining on Futurecast, more or less the type of showers that we will be seeing, because it's going to be the scattered activity Saturday, favoring areas south of San Angelo, but still some heavy rainfall possible here. Any storm that forms heavy rain will be possible. And then Sunday is looking like we're going to get more lift moving in, and Sunday will probably be more numerous showers and thunderstorms. So for tonight, we're down to 68, mostly cloudy with scattered storms. If we cool off any more with the clear skies, that's possible too. 50% chance of rain. Winds are going to be out of the south at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And then for your Saturday, climbing up to 83, mostly cloudy with scattered thunderstorms, a 70% chance of rain. Winds are out of the northeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And don't forget, Live Radar Network. You can grab it on the Concho Valley homepage and on the Concho Valley homepage app. Available for free for Apple and Android phones. Sunday, 70% chance of rain. Monday, we're at a 50% chance of rain. And then Tuesday and Wednesday start to warm back up into the upper 90s. But we're enjoying this nice break from the August heat with plenty of rainfall moving in. I know everyone's loving it.
I am.
Talking to people out in the community last night and also tonight, and they're just excited to see the rain. So hopefully we can hang on to it a little bit longer. Again, right now it looks like the heavier totals will be south of San Angelo, but 1 to 2 inches, nothing to sneeze at, especially in August when we're so dry.
Yeah, it's wonderful, and I know the Sonora Rodeo continues to tomorrow, so hopefully it doesn't mess with the plants.
I'll be trying to make it out there.
Good.
Even though it's going to be wet.
Yeah, but you'll still have fun, I'm sure.
Oh, of course.
All right, coming up later at 10, tax-free